My name is Phil Dumas. I'm the founder and CEO of Unikey Technologies. Traditionally, before, you had to pull your phone out of your pocket and select an app and open it and select an action like unlock, and it would have to go through the cellular network and then down through a local internet, and there was many points of failure and there was many points of interaction. Unikey really set out to create this seamless access experience. We call it passive intent technology, and it's super important. We've had a lot of success in consumer residential, both in North America and internationally. And then we've moved into the commercial building access space, replacing the key or the badge with your phone. And then happy that we've just moved into the automotive space. When you use a phone for access, you're really bringing the door online. And when you bring the door online, it's creating a whole new world of opportunity. It is concerning when you bring things online, but at the same time, our industry needs to realize you're kind of only as good as your weakest point. And if somebody wants to get in, they typically can force their way in. And our goal from a security perspective is to stay way ahead of the weakest point. So still traditional keys, traditional badging systems and other style locks, windows are the weakest points. And we realize that, that security, whether it's the perception or reality of it, is the reality of it for us. And so we've had to go above and beyond, and we've architected our security in a way that is, for lack of better words, overkill. So we have, to geek out a little bit, more combinations to our lock that change every single interaction than hydrogen atoms in the observable universe. So for somebody to want to hack that, it has to be a pretty interesting opportunity for them rather than to just break in traditionally. And we're looking to continue to push this envelope through partnerships with Gemalto to continue to add additional security layers to stay that much ahead on the bad actors in the space, and making sure that mobile is setting a whole new security standard.